Hello to all my friends out there. I hope everyone is doing okay. So, we have to eat lunch every single day. We have to eat dinner every single day. I finally found cigarette lighters. Those matches were just terrible. Okay, so I didn't pour my tea into my teapot. In the day, you were supposed to warm your teapot so it didn't crack. German. So I have some black tea. If you're lucky, you can find the tea party stuff at the thrift store, and never donate your stuff thinking that you can find more. Okay, so now you are supposed to stir your tea from 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock, probably to avoid clanking. And then to avoid splashing, which could happen because my milk is supposed to be sugar and milk, not sugar and cream or sugar and coffee creamer. You're supposed to pour your milk from the side so you don't splash. And you're supposed to say, do you want sugar and milk? And you're supposed to say, no, plain. This is good, you guys. This would be considered light. I try to avoid strong tea because I'm trying to cut down on caffeine. So today I want to eat I bought this, tuna salad and crackers ready to eat. So what I really want to do today is live off the fruits of my labors. Tuna is not something you generally find half price. So I have one tomato, and my tomato was 50 cents. So my produce was almost the same cost as my tuna. This is a good thing to stockpile. It's ready to go. Let's see if this, And you don't have to mix this stuff up either. It's ready to go. So I find this stuff to be a little sweet. So what I want to do is add some chives. A little bit. This is going to be a nice cost-effective lunch. So it's almost the end of the month, about 2 days. So I want to be super cheap for the rest of the month. For the rest of the year. If I know it's good for me. Okay, so half in one tomato and half in one tomato. So I figured this would be about enough for 2. So this is going to give me a substantial portion of tuna. And then it has enough salt, so I'll just put some pepper. Now, I have, this week I decided to go with cabbage because you get carrots and, cabbage, and it lasts longer. You get green cabbage, purple cabbage, and carrots. So I decided to go for that. So I have learned if you're not a salad eater, do not overdo it on the salad, on the lettuce part. So I have some turkey meat that I bought at Dollar Tree. So I want to make some strips. So I have 3 pieces left. So I think 1 piece is good for this because I have tuna. So, you know, there's no sense in over-consuming your resources. I mean, sometimes I just eat pieces of lunch meat. For a while there, I couldn't find the big ones, so I had to buy these little 5 or 6. These are actually kind of expensive when you buy them this way, 20 cents each. But if you're just eating one, and if you're buying some of your food half price, that is really, really going to help. And then if I can, because I'm kind of busy, I want to roast the inside of my tomato, and somewhere around here, this is the big problem, somewhere around here I have a recipe for cheese and herb scones. So I have some sharp cheddar cheese, so that's about all you need for the scones. And you know, I like quite a bit of cheese. Cheese can also count for some protein. So I'll just put my 2 tomatoes. It's going to be a pretty decent lunch for me. I'm just slaving away. When I was married, if you knew me, you go, I don't blame your husband for divorcing you. So my baby was a baby, and I hired the girl to come in and clean my house, and I would lay around on the couch and take care of the baby. And so the house would be, I didn't pay her much, you know, and she would come every day. And so then I would lay around on the couch and drink iced tea, and my ex-husband would come home and he'd go, you are doing such a good job working and taking care of the baby. I'm going to take you out for dinner. Yes, you guys, I did that. Well, that is very sneaky. Yeah, that's true, but the baby needed attention, and, you know, at that time, I gave a darn if my house was clean. And then the neighbor girl was happy because she had spending money. Okay, you guys, here it is. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.